Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your money from Cash App account to PayPal. So here I have opened my PayPal account and here you can see the home page, the PayPal balance and all the details. And in the wallet, you can see the PayPal balance and you can see the option go to direct deposit. And by clicking on that, this page will open. Here you can see the routing and the account number. Note down these numbers because these numbers will be used later on for the transfer. Now here again open your Cash App account. Now click on the bank icon in the bottom. Here you can see your cash balance and you can see the option add cash and cash out. By clicking add cash, the cash will be added to your amount, and by clicking cash out, the cash will be transferred to whatever account you want. You can transfer the cash to any bank, any other apps like PayPal and Apple Pay. Similarly, you can also see the routing and the account number here. For transferring the money from your Cash App account to the PayPal, make sure that only these two options are showing here. The first one is deposit and transfer and the second one is Bitcoin. If you have linked any bank here before, so make sure to remove that bank before processing. So now I'm clicking on the option cash out. Here they says how would you like to deposit $1 to your bank account, standard or instant. Standard delivery takes 1 to 3 days and they don't charge any fee for standard transfer, and instant take less than 1 day and they charge $0.25 fee for instant transfer. It's up to you what you want to choose. You can choose standard here or you can choose instant. The main difference between them is the fee and the time, of course. Now after choosing one of these options, now they will ask you to write the routing and the account number that we have copied before from our PayPal account. After providing all that information, they will transfer your money from your Cash App account to the PayPal. That was all about transferring money from Cash App to PayPal. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.